As you opened your Schoology folder today, you'll notice that a new folder is red, and that is the Cold War. Once you open it up, you are going to see that there is the Cold War reading section in here. So once you open it up, this is the chapter that we pull almost all the reading out of, including the sections that we're going to read. And then we are starting with week 6, which is 426 through 430. Once you open that up, you will see Monday is ready for you. And there are two things that you're going to work on today. So you're going to start by opening up these learning objectives. This is going to walk you through the learning work you need to complete. So you're going to start by looking at the end of World War II and the effect it had on the Cold War. So after World War II, the Allied powers came together at the Yalta Conference in February of 1945 to discuss the post-war reorganization of Europe, specifically German-held land. So that means after the war was done, they got together to decide whose land was going to be whose. So we're going to focus on the key developments of the Cold War and the decisions that were made by the American presidents at the time. So today you're going to start a new document in Notability and label it Cold War Learning Work. Then you're going to watch the video below. And there's also a backup link down here if this one does not work for you. And then in your Schoology folder, you will notice that there is a guided notes document and there is a vocabulary document. So you're going to watch this video and you're going to take notes on the guided note document. And then you're going to open the Cold War vocabulary and define each word in your learning work. And there will be a vocab check-in on Wednesday. Just to clarify one more time, you are going to watch this video right here as you are taking notes on this note sheet right here. So we're going to look at what was the cost of war in lives and who suffered the most, how the Allies handled Germany after the war, how did the Allies treat Japan after the war, and then ultimately what happened at the Nuremberg in November of 1945 and Tokyo in May of 1946, because those are some key things that happened there. So you're going to take notes on these 4 things as you watch the video, and then you're going to upload and open your Cold War vocabulary into your learning work. So you should have this in your learning work. Now you're going to add your vocab, and these are the vocab words. So you can look them up in your online textbook or you can Google them, but your online textbook is going to give you the best, probably most clear definition for you. I am going to give you about 10 minutes in class to work on your vocabulary as well. As always, if you have questions, please send me a Schoology message or talk to me during live WebEx, or we can also set up a time to meet via WebEx to talk one-on-one through the learning